Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can format and hard reset of your Realme Narzo 20 mobile and your Realme Narzo 20A mobile completely. So guys, before formatting your Narzo 20 mobile, remember some important points in your mind. After format and hard reset, you have to enter your same pattern lock, and after format and hard reset, you have to enter your same Gmail ID that you are seeing with your mobile. Format and hard reset process erase all its data like photos, videos, contacts, so backup before formatting your mobile. And format and hard reset process takes approximately 20 minutes, so charge your mobile at least 20%. So first of all, switch off your mobile. Now your Realme Narzo 20 mobile is switch off. Now press volume down button and power button together. As Realme logo appears, release both buttons. Now you see language. Press power button and select English language. Now go to third option with the help of volume button and select wipe data. Apply with the help of power button. Now enter your verification code 9956. Now select format data. Now select format. Now your mobile is formatting. Now press OK button. And you press OK button, then your mobile rebooted, and now it takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to reboot again. So just wait and don't press any button. Now press OK button. Now guys, your mobile is rebooting, and now it takes 5 to 10 minutes to reboot again. So just wait and don't press any button. Now guys, your mobile is rebooted and now all its data is factory reset. Now you have to set up your mobile as new mobile. If you want to copy your data from your old account, then you can press next, otherwise press don't copy. Now guys, here you have to enter your same pattern lock that you have entered before formatting your mobile. Now enter your email ID. So guys, now your Realme Narzo 20 mobile is factory reset and all its data is erased. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also format Narzo 20A and Narzo 20 Pro mobile completely. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.